Hello everyone, very good evening to one and all. Welcome back to the Vijitha Rajakumar online classes. Today I would like to give the some of the notes in the subject of the primary healthcare nursing for the mphw first year students like a paper 3. So this is the practical record. So whatever I am giving exactly you have to write in the practical record. Okay. So based on that only you have to prepare. So in that only you may you have to attempt any like a section wise, like a section, there are three sections will be there in each subject, like a HP as well as community health nursing and primary health nursing also. So we may have the three sections, like a section 1 5 questions will be there, section 2 also 5 questions will be there, section 3 also 5 questions will be there, but you have to write final examinations, you have to write to any one question. So section 1 is a essay type questions, like a 20 questions, so you have to attempt, there is no choice. Okay, actually there is no choice in the practical examinations, but so due to the corona, so we are having like a choice will be that generally we don't have any choice in the practical examinations. Okay, but you have tried to complete practical record. Until then, if they not give the any deleted questions and all, if they will give the deleted questions, you can avoid it, and remaining thing you can write it. Okay. Section 1 is the essay type questions, like a 20 marks questions. Section 2 is the 10 marks questions. Section 3 also 10 marks, and record 5 marks, and viva also 5. So overall 50 marks will be there. So let me see the one by one. So list of the types of bed making and explain the procedure of unoccupied bed. So this is the introduction. So this is like a practical record. So whatever I am giving exactly you have to write in the practical record, that before appearing the practical examinations you have to carry, you have to write the this practical record. So for writing purpose you may get the 5 marks. Okay, so this one. So next, continuation of the introduction as well as the purpose and objectives, rules to be observed when making. So so this you can write it, and afterwards, so when I was in BSc, I used to learn some of the our faculty madams given nice notes. If I get that notes, so separately I will try to give that notes also. Until then, you have tried this one. Okay, purpose and objectives of bed making, rules to be observed when making. It's clear. So next, coming to the continuation of this answer. Okay. So I want to discuss. This is a practical record now. You have tried it. So I am showing the content like a notes for practical record purpose. Reasons for bed making. Actual bed making is nothing but the why we have to provide the bed making. So to comfort the, so in order to provide the comfort to the patients, we have to make the bed for the patients. Okay. To prevent cross infection, treatment of certain conditions. Okay. Next, coming to the continuation precautions. Some of the precautions we have to follow when you are doing the bed making. So if I finish this one, so later if I get any time, so definitely I will try to show the demonstrations also, how to do the bed making and IM injections, TPR procedures, and everything I will show. Okay. So next, coming to the, okay, serial number, purpose, and article needed. Some of the articles we have to carry. So to do the any procedures without article or without instruments, we cannot do the procedures. Okay, for cleaning the bed. So before making the bed, first of all we have to clean the bed. For cleaning the bed, also some of the articles we needed. Okay, and after that we have to clean and we have to replace the articles in the inventory cupboard. Next one is for making bed. Also we need some of the things. It's clear. So this is the bed making equipment and all. Okay, so next, coming to the, so types of bed making. So this is a continuation of the answer. Next, coming the open occupied and okay, surgical recovery, post operative, these and stuff. So this answer mean I am not happy, but even though so not happy is nothing but the, it's in not in giving the correct information exactly. Okay, but it may cover the briefly. The question is, The answer is briefly, the answer is covering this question, but if I get any time, I try to give the genuine and correct or useful information for you people. Until then, you have to try this one. This is also correct, but I'm not happy. Why means already I have learned in my BSc in Usmania as well as JMJ College of Nursing and all. So I used to read, I used to learn, so those processes, but I lost that nation, that content and all. Until then, you have to satisfy this by this content. Okay. So next coming to the types of bed making or types of beds. Okay, operative bed, special beds, routine beds. Routine beds is nothing but occupied, unoccupied. Routine. The patient will come now routinely. We have to prepare the bed for the patients like occupied. Occupied is nothing but already the patient will be there on the bed. Unoccupied means so without the patients. Okay, that is the unoccupied beds. So next coming to the continuation of the okay types of hospital beds: routine beds, special beds, not clear. Okay, next coming to the continuation. Second question, explain the procedure of vital signs. This is also I will give the another answer, but even though it's correct only, but not exactly. So whatever, this is for the second like MPHW first year students. This is this answer is correct, but even if you need or if you want advanced information, so later I will give that information also. That okay. Explain the procedure of exactly what was the purpose, equipment, okay, introduction, purpose, articles, okay, everything exactly how the procedure will be there. In that way, I will give the notes, but later, not now. So next, coming to the normal readings. Excuse me. According to age group, the normal pulse rate, average pulse rate. So next, sites of temperature checking: rectal, oral, axilla, groin. Pulse rate means what? Okay, patterns of pulse or sites of pulse checking. How the pulse rate will be there. This is the patterns of pulse rate. So like according to age group, respiration rate and average respiration rate also. So meaning of respiration rate. Next coming to the TPR procedure, BP. Next according to age group, BP table wise. So next coming to the different types of BP operators. Okay. So next coming to the question, explain the principles, uses and types of bandages. This is also a very very important question. A strip of material used mainly to support and immobilize a part of the body. If you have any sprain or any fracture will be there, no? So how they can support with the help of this cloth? This cloth is nothing but the bandages only. So with the help of the bandages, it may be the support or immobilize a part of the body. Purpose, use of the bandage, extra types of bandages. May I be clear? Ear bandage, crepe bandages are all things. Next section B is explain briefly about the hand washing procedure. Excuse me. So nowadays, due to the corona, everybody knows the importance of hand washing. Okay, before touching, after touching, also everybody has to do the hand washing. So By following this method, we can prevent the 95% of the diseases. Okay, not only protect ourselves, we can also prevent the cross infections. Purpose, procedure. Okay, next coming to the explain the care of patients with pressure points. Introduction, purpose, procedures. So pressure points is nothing but the tender spot in the field of okay, parts refers to an area in the human body that may produce significant pain or other effects when manipulated in a specific manner. Okay, if the patient is unable to get on from the bed continuously, if the patient will lying on the bed for hours, weeks, months, years together, what will happen if there is no lack of movements or lack of locomotion and activities and all? So there is no proper blood supply. So due to the lack of blood supply, there is a formation of ulcerations will be. So this is known as the pressure points. Okay, it is also known as pressure points, decubitus ulcers, so and so will be. This is also a very important question. Okay, next continuation. Continuation. Next one is the explain the principles of first aid and list down the articles of the first aid. Okay, actually, first aid is nothing but the non-available. So before taking to the hospital or otherwise non-availability of the doctor, if you are giving the first time, okay, first time any treatment or anything to the patients in order to save the life of the patient. Okay, that is known as the first aid. Okay, like a provision of initial care, so first care for or any illness or injury to the patients, so before taking the hospital for the treatment purpose, if you are providing the initial care to the patients, it is known as first aid. Principles of first aid, introduction, principles. So when you are giving the first aid also, we have to follow certain principles to save the life of the patient. So some of the articles also we have to some of the articles should be mm, articles will be there in the first aid kit box. This is the diagram exactly like a 95, 96, 97, 35, 36, 37 like will be there. Exactly there we have to draw. So this is like a section 3 thermometer. It is a not a tool ma. Thermometer is a tool. With the help of this may it will we can measure temperature of the human being. Like a glucometer. With the help of the glucometer we can manage, we can monitor the blood glucose levels. This is the diagram. So next coming to the BP operators. With the help of the BP operators we can monitor the blood pressure levels. It is also known as a sphygmomanometer. Okay, so next coming to the weight machine. Everybody knows very well. Okay, it is like there are it is a known mass scale, weight scales, balances, or balance scale. So with the help of the weighing machine, we can measure the weight of the individuals. So like this will be there. Okay, next coming to the blunt scissors. With the help of the blunt scissors, we can use it in surgery purpose and in everyday life also. So this is a blunt scissors. The small one will be there. No, this is a blunt scissors. The next can the spongy holding forceps. We can hold it. Hold is nothing but to keep. Okay. So this is a sponge holding forceps, commonly used in surgical procedure to hold gauze that will absorb excess fluids and blood from the surgical state and hemostasis. Okay, this is the way. This is the diagram of the sponge holding forceps. So next coming to the straight scissors. Okay, straight scissors. It's mainly to cutting purpose we can use it. Cutting the sutures or forming the skin grounds and all we can use this. Okay, straight scissors. Next, artery forceps. The articeps mainly used to compress an artery to stem bleeding because any bleeding will be there with the help of forceps. We can compress an artery to stop bleeding. So this is one artery forceps. So next coming to the Macintosh. Macintosh is also known as rubber sheet. So with the help of the sheet, we can prevent the spoiling of the bed linen, bed sheets and all. By spreading this Macintosh, we can prevent the splitting of any secretions from the patients like blood, stool, urine and all. Okay. So this is the diagram of the Macintosh. It's a rubber roller one. Crepe bandage. So this is a crepe bandage. Or any swelling, or any pain, or any discomfort, if anybody suffering these symptoms, with the help of the crepe bandage, it will give the support. Okay, support. Okay, for medial to long term bandaging requirements. So this is a crepe bandage. Like this will be there. So they may provide the clips will be there. After finishing, when you are applying the bandages, with the this one with the help of these clips, we can put the knot in. Okay. Next one, the kidney tray. Kidney tray is nothing but to collect the waste materials. So this is will be there. Next, ambu bag. So it will be the artificial, like a artificial ventilation. If the patient is unable to take the breath for herself or active way, okay. So alternate with the help. This is a passive positive pressure ventilation. If the patient is unable to take breathing adequately with the help of the ambu bag, they can it can provide the passive pressure. So this is the ambu bag will be there. Next, Riles tube. This is mainly used for the feeding purpose. If the patient is unable to take, the patient is unconscious, semi-conscious, and unable to feed, with the help of the Riles tube, we can use for the feeding the or administering the drugs and other organ agents. This is so next coming to the enema can. So before doing a surgery, the patient has to be on empty stomach, or they have to clean the bowel and bladder also. So that is the reason. So they may give that to treat the constipation or okay clear out bowel and things. So for everyone before doing the surgery, so night itself the ayah will be give the this uh, soapy solution. So this one okay soapy solution to clean the J tract like a rectum and anus and all. So this is the enema can. We have to prepare the enema and we have to fill in the enema can. With the help of the tube, we can insert into the rectum. Ice cap. This is a cold application. If the any patient is having the temperature 1 or 2, we can do that. We have to fill ice cubes into the like a ice cap, and we have to pour little bit amount of salt. The why we have to use the salt means uh, it will it may not break the ice cubes. It will maintain the coolness. Okay. So next one is the bedpan. Okay. So this is to collect the stool. If the patient is unable to get out from the bed, okay, some CNS problems, spinal cord diseases, paralysis, and all. Okay, with the help of the bedpan, the patient can easily pass the stool. Okay, this. So till now I have given the complete practical record for the first year students in the subject of the primary healthcare nursing paper 3. So thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day.